Tubas. Oh, you tubas. Ole Berg here, teaching my OMS, oval shank bent Dublin. And into it, I don't know who just pulled up. Somebody delivering food. I'm sorry. And into it, I got the Salani aged burley flake into the oval shank bent Dublin. Got a new pipe from Jason Mouton. I'm going to show you my garden before it gets too dark, and then I'm going to show you my new pipe. I've been wanting a pipe from Jason for a long time, and either I didn't have the money or he was too busy, and finally we got together and put together something I was wanting. Done a fantastic job, I'll show you. But anyway, we got tomatoes. I've dusted everything. That white you see on there is to keep the bugs and the critters and different things off of my tomatoes. Me and old Kitty Meow's out here. Kitty Meow's chasing lightning bugs. Kitty Meow! Kitty Meow! Good cat right there. Any words, back to the program. Got some cabbage that the bugs just about eat up before I could get it dusted. Taters are really doing good. Got 4 rows of Kenny box. That's a Kenny box row. That's a Kenny box row. This is a red potato, and then another row of Kenny box. I had to replant some of these on the ends while they're behind the other ones. And then these are sweet potatoes. A row of sweet potatoes. And then these are squash. I mean, these are cucumbers. Pickling cucumbers, and then on the end we got some salad cucumbers, and then we got squash, and on the end of that row we got some okras. But I hadn't been wanting to show the garden. I hadn't done any videos because the grass had got in it real bad, and I was ashamed of it. We had so much rain, and I'm gonna pause this and then I'm gonna show you the pipe. Now I'm gonna lay this OMS down for a minute. Like I say, Jason Mouton. We got together and I wanted this and that, and then the next thing you know, I said I want a cherry wood poker, and told him kind of what I wanted, and then I went and looked at one of his cherry wood pokers and then we added my twist. And let me tell you, if this thing smokes as good as it looks, I'm in for a treat. Now, I talked to Clayton Orr and several people that have a J Mouton pipe, and let me tell you what, they say that they are bad to the bone. Now that's that is a fossil mammoth tusk. I think's what that is. That band right there, look at that. Look onto it. He just done a beautiful job. I can't wait to smoke it. I'm gonna break it in, probably with some 5100 red cake and maybe some haunted buckshot. Alternate a little bit of the, not much, but a little bit of the haunted buckshot. Get me a nice cake built up in there, and then we're gonna make her a Virginia smoking some of my gun. Thank you, Jason. Buddy, I sure appreciate this pipe. I'm in love with the look. And I wished I had the fingerprints wiped off of it, but I made it worse. But just a beautiful pipe. Can't wait. He sent me a sticker and a card. Y'all check Jason out. He's selling them at tobaccopipes.com, or yeah, I think that's where he's selling his pipes. I'll find out for sure. I forget, dang it. I never do remember anything anymore. I stay so busy. But let me tell you, folks, I've missed making videos. This is going to be my second video this week. But I want to get back in the groove. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I put a short video out yesterday and run out of space on my camera. But I put it up anyway. Just got done with the garden and mowing the yard. And I've out here with the cat. I just want to thank everybody for watching my videos. People still watching my videos. I sure appreciate it. It's hot out here. It's I don't even know what time it is, to be honest with you. But it's going on about 7:30, I guess. Maybe 8 o'clock. And it's still humid out here. But I got the grass out of the garden, got her all dusted and caught back up, and some more stuff planted. So I thought I'd come out here and show the garden. And I've been wanting to show the Jason Mouton pipe. I've had it for 3 weeks maybe, and haven't chooched it. I just want to take my time and break it in right. And I may do a video on breaking it in and showing how I do it. And I think that would be a good video for some newbies, and maybe interesting for some obies. But any words, I'm Ole Berg. I'm down here at the garden, chooching on the Flying Edge Burley Lake and the OMS. Next time you see me, I'll be smoking some 5100 Red Cake by McClellan's and breaking in my J. Mouton Cherry Woodrow poker. I'm Ole Berg, and by golly, I am